Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day tutorial and also a collaboration with Glam Mom Dez. I hope you guys enjoy. This is the look here, and it was using the, face it the right way, the Modern Renaissance palette. A lot of people have this palette and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I mean, look at these colors. So if you guys would like to see that, definitely check that out. And if you guys haven't yet, check out Glam Mom Dez's channel. It's going to be down below. I'm going to link her channel, and she will also going to be making a video as well using this, and I think you guys will like it. And I really like watching her. I think she's really sweet, and it's fun to watch somebody just that's more real and nice on YouTube. So definitely check her out. I think you guys will like her. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, thanks guys. Definitely check her out. I think you guys will like her. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, thanks guys. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Modern Renaissance palette. And don't mind mine. Mine's disgusting. But this is the look we're going to go for today, and I'm going to show you. It's very simple, and it's going to be a quick Valentine's Day glam. And again, this is a collab with Glam Mom Dez, and if you haven't checked her out, there's going to be a link in my description below, so definitely check her out. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go into the shade Tempera. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but you guys know I'm going to put this underneath my brow bone. When that's done, I'm then going to take and I'm going to mix some raw sienna and burnt orange, and I'm going to get a little bit of both here. And I'm going to put this as my crease and transition shade. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush from Morphe. I'm going to make sure to bring this up and blend it into my brow highlight kind of. When that's done using the same brush, I'm just going to go into burnt orange by itself, grab a little bit of that, and then put this more into my crease. Done using one of my favorite brushes. This is the Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. It is so perfect for what I'm about to do. I'm going to be going in with Venetian Red and Love Letter, and I'm going to mix these two, and I'm going to use this brush to get right in my outer V and a little bit up into my crease. That's done. I'm just using the brush I used to kind of blend my crease and transition shades. And I'm just going to blend these two kind of together and fix up any weird edges or anything, just to make sure we get a nice blend. When that's done, I'm just using a flat shader brush and going into the shade Vermeer, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner, slightly overlapping some of where that Love Letter and Venetian Red went. Like I said, this is just an easy, quick Valentine's Day tutorial, good for beginners. And it will just be nice and fun to just kind of do. I know a lot of you guys ask, like, don't always do, like, you know, a dramatic wing and no lashes. And I'm okay with that. You know, like, just some fun makeup that most girls are going to do. So, we're just going to slightly overgo this. And it gives it this really cool transition. And it kind of transforms that shade in the middle to, like, a darker hot pink shimmery shade almost. I don't know if you guys can tell what I mean, but using that same brush, I'm also just going to put some more of this shade here in the inner V of my eye, which is important. I want this to be highlighted. Alright, I'm not adding anything to this brush. I'm just going to make sure whatever's left on it, that I didn't lose any of the pink or purple, well, pink or red I should say, to this look. I'm going to use this little Wet n Wild brush, this little smudge brush, and I'm going to go in again with Venetian Red and Love Letter and mix those two up and smoke out the lower lash line. After this, when we're done, I'm just going to load up a mascara, and that was our look. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to do some coats to my top and bottom lash line, and this look will be done. Alright guys, that is the completed look here. I hope you guys enjoy. This is just a quick, very simple, beginner type of look with using the Modern Renaissance palette here. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day or even like everyday fun glam. I think it's beautiful. I will be doing another tutorial if you guys want. Let me know down below on a more full glam Valentine's Day look. And do let me know. And again, this was in collabs with Glam Mom Dez. Absolutely love watching her videos. I think you guys will too. And thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.